Well, hello everyone. This is the vintage RV'er, and you can see what pulled into my driveway here today after a literally 4-visit test drive. This is an Allegro, I believe it's a 28-footer. It's a 1987 on a 1986 P30 chassis, Chevy, and this is the replacement for the long hauler, the original long hauler. So right now we've just got her home, and I'm gonna step up over here to give you an idea of what she looks like. It's a Class A motorhome, obviously, and she's in pretty good shape. And I'm gonna take you inside. I've got the steps pulled out. And we've been cleaning up the windows, doing all that good stuff in here. You can see it's got that kind of crisscross fabric pattern that's typical of the mid-80s Allegros. And it's just actually pretty good shape. I mean, it's kind of these mauve, everything's mauve in here. I wouldn't say it's pink, or I may say it's salmon, but it's a little faded. But you know what? It's actually pretty cool to drive this. And it's got a 454 under this hump here, and I got to tell you, it's 10 times quieter than the Tioga was. This one here, this particular vehicle, if you can read it, it has 46, just about 47,000 miles on it. It's got a few odds and ends here. It's got an Onan generator system start here, and she starts right up. She does a great job here. Let's see if I can get the keys out. The owner, this was the third owner that we bought it from. First owners had it for almost the entire time, and then the second owner, nice lady, she lived in a campground during the summers for 8 years and kept it parked there. And you can see here it's got an Allegro, really cool Allegro keychain thing. Got two of them actually, this one and a regular basic hey mail it if I lose these keys type of situation. But let's stick the keys in here and start her up. And so it's really cool. It's got the working fans. That one I got to oil up a little bit. She's squeaking at high speed. Okay. Beep. Need some oil there. But I got to tell you, the vehicle's kind of cool to be working on here. I got to go through some of these little odds and ends and make sure everything's working. It's got all the original manuals from back in the day. It's got the duotherm air conditioner, the refrigerator. It's got the, I'm going to skip right down to the original GM stuff there. So it's really cool. So we get back here. It's got the microwave. It's got the stove needs a little cleaning up. It's got the sink. Get back in here. It's got the bathroom with the shower, with every single one of them's got that leak in the corner, it seems like. Got the toilet, if somebody did a little plumbing work there. All up in here. Somebody actually had a mirror on here, but they took it off. one had its sound system up here, but it's got a drop down bunk bed up here in this thing, and then it's got the regular bed in the back, which is really cool. So yeah, this thing, it's running right now. So I don't know if you notice it. Actually, I gotta see if who's got the, just trying to, this thing is not working. They disconnected this. I've got to check on that, see what's going on. Got the wiper blades for it. Oh, wow. Hey, you. So I'm just taking a video of this whole thing. Pretty cool.